Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. Hello YouTube. Wait. Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. I am Harsh Kumar and this is the part 22 of the video series HTML and CSS for the beginner. And in this live stream we talk about position property in CSS. So let's start. First we add the boilerplate information. Change the title to position in CSS. and let me add a, a paragraph. Lorem ipsum E100 and open this document in live server. and let me copy paste this paragraph couple of time. Let me check. Fair enough. And now I will tell you what is position property. So let me add a div dot box and add a CSS. Background color. Let me copy paste the color. Let me add a height and the width of 400 pixel. Height 200 pixel and width 400. here is a square div, and now what is the position? See, you can see there is a chronological order in HTML. We have first paragraph, and this then box div, then second paragraph, then third, and so on. This is a default position, which is position static. Let me show you position static. If you use this static, it's not. It's just a default position which we use, which we even don't specify it. It will it will stay the same as it is. There are four kind of positions regarding there are four kind of properties regarding to this position attribute. Let me show you. There are static position, which is default, absolute position, relative position, and fixed position, and sticky position. So first, static, which is default, which we have discussed, and what about the absolute position? Absolute position is like this. Let me show you. Position absolute, and we will use top left, bottom right properties to influence the position of the tag or the element with with it, just like left left 200 cell, and left 200 pixel. Let me add 10 pixel. Left, right, sorry, top 10 pixel. let me uh, move it first, and you can see the absolute position will, if we add the absolute position, the document flow for this div is irregular, and our document is like this, but it, the div itself pop up by the z in which is increase z index automatically, and the absolute position is uh, related to the screen itself. It is relative to this screen. If we use top 100 pixel, it will move from the top 100 pixel to this point, due to the in corresponding to the screen size, and as well as the left pixel corresponding to the screen size or a browser width. It doesn't matter where the element is located. It always related to the browser screen itself. And whereas if we use relative relative position is corresponding to the previous position, like this, which we have used, which we have added in the document follow. Just like we have the p tag after this box, and after the second paragraph, before the second paragraph, in between in between we have this box element, and and from this point, if we add top top 50 pixel, oh, top 50 pixel, it will go from, it will go like the from this point 50 pixel down from the top, from the original point, not from the not not relative to the screen screen. So that is the most important thing you should remember. What is the difference between absolute and relative? From the left, 100 pixel, let's say, and from the left, 100 pixel from the corner, we have an 100 pixel move from the corner to the slightly add padding. We can use minus minus value as well, like this. Let me remove comment this and comment this. Now you can see the initial position is like this. If we add top minus 50, the from the top it will go up 50, negative no negative minus 50. Negative minus 50. We, as well as we can use bottom 50 pixel from the it will calculate 50 pixel from the bottom, just like negative 50. It will count from the bottom, not from the top. And likewise there is right from the right of the uh, element, it will shift 50 pixels from to this direction. And now we will use relative, absolute, relative, fixed. So what is fixed position? Fix is simple. Let me show you first what is the difference between other relative relative, absolute, and the fix. you can see if we use if we scroll our div or element move up and it will it will move up over the screen and not is and not able and we will not able to see it. So let's say if we want if we want this uh, element like this, fix fix to this to uh, to its position. It will now move it will now move it will now it will don't move and the rest position rest document will scroll up and down. It will this is the best to use in the floating pop blocks, just like you can display like this 50% sale. Sale. Let me add font size. ORM. Add padding. Ten pixel. Now you can see this this is hover. This div is hovering. Now you can see this div is hovering like a card or a model or like a warning or a thing like this. So it is very useful position for this kind of scenario. Or sometimes we use our navigation bar to stick from the to the stop while we move. For example, I quickly uh, add a navigation bar. Uh, let's do this. Into 4. Now it is a nav bar. And imagine, wait, let me comment this static. Sorry, comment this fix. Let me, we want to display this nav bar to the user, or to the user all the time. We use this position fix on the nav element. Position fixed. Let me add a background color. Color white. Color white. quickly add color to the anchor tab, white. Now you can see in the navigation bar move across across our across our document. Thank you, thank you Kim Jong for your support. And similarly, we use it. Similarly, we use a sticky position. So what is sticky position? Wait, let me show. Top 10 pixels. No, 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 I am wrong. Let me add this sticky position on this add this sticky position to this div. Let me show you why in a second. Sticky sticky position top bottom, and comment this navbar for a second. Now you can see this div is not is able to move, but if it move to top let's say top 50 pixel and move this left position, which is unnecessary in this case, and if when we move to 50 pixel top, as it mentioned, as the code mentioned, and it will stick to this position and act as a fixed point in this document. And but you can see how this fixed position is used, which is quite cool, and you can use it just like a navigation bar, which we use which we hello which we have show you. I will take your questions in a while. Let me complete first. And what we have done: static we have done, absolute we have done, relative, fixed, and sticky. And one more thing about the relative, which is that relative is just just like as a absolute, which we have shown that absolute is navigation box. Here it is. Here position absolute. If we use this absolute position is corresponding to the body or a display uh, of the browser or a device. But relative is quite different. Let me show you. If we add a container div to this box, just like dot wrap, like this, uh, and add that and add an CSS to this wrapper. Dot wrapper, right? Let me add 500 pixel. Add a background color, yellowish green, and width 300. And now we use relative position, and this relative position is related to this div, this green div, immediate parent of this of the box element, not in the not to the it is not relative to the entire screen. I hope you will understand. I hope now you can understand. Is there any question? So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. For now, see ya. Take care.